Well, hey there, little helicopter. What you doing? Oh, you just went through a little spectrum change. Yeah, how you doing? Going out to take some pictures, You taking some pictures too? Yeah, you taking some pictures, you little black cock? Oh, and he's turning around, see? Where's he going now? Which way did he go, George? Which way did he go? He's gonna go that way now. We'll see if he stays over there or not. Let's see what else is really going on. They probably don't like me out here very much right now. But I've been out here doing this for years, so. Too bad, so sad. Too bad, so sad. So sad for you. So sad for you. Oh, here he comes again. So sad for you, Mr. So sad for you, Mr. Helicopter Man. Helicopter Man. Is he gonna come over? Oh yeah, he's gonna come right over on top of me. See, they know. I don't know how they know, but they do somehow. Oh, no. No. He's gonna go back over there. How do you like being filmed? Do you like it? Do you like it? Is that your little area to do right there? He must be just going around in that area. He should do like a little U-turn right now. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, look at that. And you know what I'll do? I haven't in a long time sent you a list of all the times that, the only time my phone ever has that noise come on. I will show you. It's an anti-spyware. And it means that, oh, is that you? Is that you, cutie pie? Oh, did you want me to know you were back there? Hello. What are you doing? That is the star. As a star, it's a orange star. It's not a Chinese lantern. They were trying to say there are Chinese lanterns all over the place. Yeah, all over the place, I tell you. Yep, bunch of Chinese lanterns. What do you think about that, buddy? Huh? What do you think about that, bud? You look pretty up there. You sure do. Hey! Hi! Aw, so pretty. She's orange up there. I noticed her a very long time ago. I call her because she's orange, and I have orange hair, so. Well, hello, babies. Look at you up there. Well, hello. I see you too. Hi, babies. Just really interesting, really cool skies today. I had a very fun day filming. I don't know if you got to see any of them, but I had to switch a couple of them. I couldn't they would not let me download them for anything. No way, no download for her. So I had to do some special stuff and cut and edit a little bit, but I think it all turned out really good. See that round? That round right there? That's like underneath that wire right there. You can see a perfect almost like a half circle. Just want to go over here because it kind of looks cool. Yeah, you look rad over there. What are you doing, guys? I love it, love it, love it. I only got a couple more minutes, so just gonna see what's going on. It's like pretty cool how you can kind of see a little something right there, if you know what I mean. Jelly beans. I don't know if you can see it, but I sure can. Yep. Definitely gotta take pictures of that. That's awesome. Wow. I don't know if you can see that, but that's pretty rad. I'd have to say I can see that with my almost, yes, I can see that with my bare eyes. Yep. Pretty awesome. That's freaking rad. Wow. Huh, I didn't know I was gonna get to see that tonight. Wow. I feel special. Wow. Thanks, guys. Very, very, very cool. Oops, that's my finger, sorry. I mean, that's freaking radical over there. Oh, look there, there's this guy right there, too. Hi, beautiful. He's not beautiful. That's my buddy right there. She is so pretty up there in the sky. She really is. I love her. Yes, I do. That's my girl out there, and she doesn't even mind being filmed. I don't like being filmed either, so even the guys that mind being filmed, I get it. Some of them like being on camera, though. Huh. Huh. Yeah. Let's see what else we got in here, bud. You're picking up some good spots for me. Thanks. My little starlight, star bright, first star I see tonight. I wish I may, I wish I might have this wish I wish tonight. In like that, sometimes it gets all, so I'll just pull that a little bit more, and then sometimes you can see a little bit of what's going on, but I could see this all day today, actually, coming. Wow. Wow. Looks really, really cool to the naked eye as well. Really, really cool. Almost looks like a boomerang now. It was more in a circular shape before, and now it looks like a little boomerang. Or a bird, maybe. Through the sky, over to my friend over there. What's up? Who's that over there? I see another little guy over there. Who's that? Is that your friend over there? Hmm? He's cool. Yeah, there he is. I can see him a little bit. if I can see him with my naked eye. Oh, I sure can. He just popped out. I can see him. Alright, and then this is all the way to the east side. East side, east side, east side. East side, east side. Very pretty outside tonight. Very gorgeous. Super gorgeous. Let's see, I think we're about done over there too. My phone's going to shut off any second. Hmm.